Can you give me a boop on the head?
If that's what you want.
Yay! As you can see, we are here with Sherbert. Hi, everyone! Can you tell us, Sherbert, where we are now?
We're in my apartment. I don't actually have like a real apartment, so I have to pretend this is my apartment.
It's the first time that Doki Doki Drawing has ever entered the VRChat universe.
VRChat is a social virtual reality game where people can come in and they assume various avatars and they can interact with each other, socialize. There's also games here, and a lot of it's user-driven.
So this is your in-development anime. What's the title again?
This is Magical Beat Sherbert, or in Japanese, Mahou Shouju Shabeto.
We see you with the hammer on the right, but the girl in pink?
Oh, that's Erika. Erika is the magical girl that helped me to save the universe.
Was she magical before you met her?
I mean, if you ask her, she's gonna tell you she was always magical, but I helped. So we travel to different versions of Tokyo, and we sever the connections between the worlds so that all the universes can live unique and separate from each other.
I'm gonna go and search through the bedroom.
No, don't do that!
Welcome to the boudoir.
No.
How do you feel about having a hot dog in your bedroom?
Nothing to say here!
Time to check out the manga shelf. Let's see if you got anything embarrassing on your shelf. So this is some of the cool stuff that you can do in VRChat. As I understand it, Sherbert, you exist in real life, but also anime, manga, and VRChat. So you're just importing like things from real life into here?
It's done in Unity, so it's basically like you could create your 3D assets and then import them and then put them on the shelf.
Talk to me, Sherbert, about what you do here in VRChat.
So I do streams. I'm on Twitch Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays.
What's Twitch?
Twitch is a streaming platform.
I'm just joking. We're YouTube supremacists. There is no Twitch.
Is that live in Ghostbusters? There is no Twitch, there is only Zool. I also do a live stream every Monday on the YouTube channel where it's just me and I'm chatting with the viewers. You can interact and ask me questions and stuff. It's a lot of fun.
Do you play games with your viewers?
On the Twitch stream, I do play games. On the YouTube stream, I'm just getting ramped up, so I'm still in the kind of chat with everyone mode. But one thing that's cool is that any place you want to go, you can go. There's probably a world for it in VRChat. We can go to, there's all sorts of like recreations of like anime worlds. So if you want to go to see, the high school from My Hero Academia, you can go there.
I see there's something really cool hanging on your neck.
This is my badge. So when I'm going around to different worlds and I meet people who don't know about Sherbert, this is basically a badge that shows the anime footage, so people will look at it and ask me about it. It's kind of like a hello, my name is badge, but like super extreme.
On Doki Doki Drawing, people are really interested in character design and all this, and I couldn't help but notice that you got a really nice VRChat avatar.
Thank you.
Was this something that you commissioned to have done for you, or?
This avatar was commissioned. I mean, if you've got the technical skill and the design sense, you could make your own avatar.
This is very closely modeled on anime version of Sherbert, right?
Yes, it is.
Is it accurate in terms of height as well?
Yes, actually, it is accurate in terms of height.
Just if I just walk up to you as a hot dog, I have to actually look down at you. You're actually quite minuscule.
Yeah, no, I am a little on the short side.
So these live streams that you do on YouTube and on Twitch, are these things that people only watch through the client, or do they also join in?
We're always having people come in and join us and play games with us. So there's like multiple ways to interact with me, either by participation or by just viewing and being part of the chat.
You've got an anime in development. You've got a manga which we can already read, and you've got multiple videos that we can watch, live streams we can watch. We can interact with you in VRChat. But the question I want to ask is, what is your main goal? Like, what is the point where you'll feel like Sherbert has made it?
I mean, certainly the anime is a big indicator. Hopefully it is evergreen, which means that there would be multiple Sherbert series. Having the anime and the manga out there and sharing my adventures with people, having that out there and other people enjoying the stories that we create, that's the goal.
And you wouldn't say that being turned into a cookie? You wouldn't say that that's already, the point at which you full accomplishment. You've made it. You've done it. There's nothing else left to achieve.
Oh, there's always something left to achieve. Really, the moment I guess you could breathe a sigh of relief is when it's actually over. But you don't want it to be over. If you're passionate about something, why would you want it to end? So I don't know, maybe there isn't a point where I can be like, where I can be satisfied. I never see myself retiring. I'm gonna be this magical thing until my body expires, and then I'll just be like T-posing on the internet because I'll be a skeleton in real life.
I'm new to this VR stuff. Is that what happens when you die in VR? You T-pose in the afterlife?
Probably.
These videos that you're showing us on the back, these are like your opening sequences and, materials that you've got for the anime and development. Who is creating these materials for you?
So, the promotional video, or PV, was created by Zexshizit.
Right.
The studio that worked on Jewel Pet and Shadowverse.
What does Sherbert drink there? Oh, it's Koo. Oh, but it's not
Koo.
though. It's some sort of Koo-looking drink.
Hey, you know what? I'm a sucker for Koo.
You've got one.
Sponsor me, Minute Maid! Sponsor me!
I'm so impressed. You've got a prop ready for everything.
Absolutely. You get thirsty in VR, let me tell you.
What other props have you got?
I got outfits.
Oh yeah, we'd like to see them.
Not a JoJo reference.
Look at the work on this jacket. That's intense. And it's like perfectly sculpted to your body.
Yes. And then I got the other outfit.
If anyone is familiar with this already, this is a video and a manga. So there's a manga and there's an animated manga of this on the Sherbert channel, right?
Yes, there is. There is. Though this outfit kind of just predates that one in general, but it's such a popular part of Japanese, pop culture that, why wouldn't you? You have seen cute magical creatures wearing maid outfits. You'd go to that cafe. Don't tell me you wouldn't.
I can't help but notice that you've tried 2 different costumes on and neither have pants. Tell us about the manga. You've got quite a fun little mangaka working with you, right?
Yes, I'm working with Mochi Usagi Sensei.
Yes.
Who worked on Nana You Don't Change and the Aikatsu Go 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 manga special.
Absolutely intense.
Yeah, she's drawing the manga. I'm writing it. And we're collaborating together to make a shoujo manga out of Sherbert.
And is it going to be typical shoujo manga, or can we expect a few unique twists?
There might be, but it's definitely going to be in the shoujo manga vein. It's drawn like shoujo manga. It's got the kind of humor and the cute stuff and the ikemen characters. Because there have to be ikemen characters, and it's like an unwritten rule. Oh wait, no, it was emailed to me. Sorry, it's a written rule.
What's your favorite scene that you've done as your manga?
So far, my favorite scene is the scene where I get cornered by the monsters, and then
and you can't tell us what happens.
Yeah, I can't tell you what happens, but it's like so far though I've seen how it's been. It's currently being drawn out, and it's really exciting.
That is really exciting.
So that's where my powers first awaken.
Can you give us a little tour of your abode here?
Can we skip the part with the bed?
Yes, I won't just go in there by myself and check.
I don't like the tone of which you said that. This way.
Wow, how are you running so fast? Hold on. Oh, here we go. Okay,
I'm a magical creature. It's what I do.
I found my run button. Wow, is it this? Whoa! I am having an out of Frankfurter experience.
You are. You might want to get that checked.
So what do you do here in this green room?
Well, right now, nothing. But I have it created so that if I want to, animate myself doing something, I can, chroma key out the background, because the entire background behind me is green.
Right.
And then if I do that, then I can put myself into different, live action videos. I could be a VTuber and narrate stuff. You can also do this where you can click follow player, and now the camera's gonna follow me around, and it will follow the 2 people.
Oh, so it'll follow between the point
there
between.
We go.
Whoa!
Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool?
That is intense.
Right now I'm using it for live streaming, but I could conceivably film in here, and then I could superimpose Sherbert into any video content I want, and I can narrate videos. I can present stuff.
Well, I think a lot of the Doki Doki Drawing subscribers are going to really enjoy seeing this, because this is a great idea. If for anyone who's wanting to get into content creation themselves with their original characters, this is certainly one way to animate things more quickly than doing it all page by page, hand drawn animation.
You can get a cast of people in VR, and you can get into VRChat, and you can act out and film, your stories. And then you can put them out on YouTube, and you literally have CG animated content that you made yourself. People are doing it on like TikTok and Twitch and stuff, where they do little skits in VRChat.
What's TikTok?
I don't know. Did I say TikTok? I guess I did.
What are the chances of people who would like to interact with you or collaborate with you? Is that an option? Is that something that's possible?
Sky's the limit. There's always things going on.
Is it best to just show up in the live stream and ask you directly?
You could, or you can find me on Twitter. Twitter is about the only place where my name isn't Sherbert Shenanigans.
Why don't you have the same name on Twitter? How confusing.
So, no, my name on Twitter is redhot_Yamada.
Oh, right.
If you abbreviate it, RHY, it's Rye.
Oh.
Wakatta?
I don't understand. No, I understand. All right, well, Sherbert, thank you very much for your time today, and this has been a really truly out of body experience for us here at Doki Doki Drawing. Can you tell us where you would like people to go in order to see more of you?
Come to the YouTube channel, youtube.com/SherbertShenanigans, or on Twitch, twitch.tv/SherbertShenanigans, or you can check out the official Sherbert website, which is mahou-sherbert.com. And there is both a Japanese and an English language version of the site.
Excellent.
And then you can read all about it. The manga, the characters, the story, and you can watch clips from the channel and the PVs and everything. Everything, Sherbert.
What do you do for fun?
Drink a V8 and go to sleep.
You mean a coup?
Oh, right, yeah, coup.
We'll see you very soon.